After all, at the heart of any successful affiliate marketing venture are the customers or the followers. Building trust with them through genuine, valuable, and useful content and encouraging open communication further cements this partnership. It's the timeless principle of hearing what they say, and then delivering what they need. In the end, affiliate marketing isn't only a means to increase your income, but more importantly, an exciting platform where you can build connections and inspire actions. In summary, effectively utilizing SEO, creating content of value, diversifying your marketing platforms, analyzing your performance metrics, and building strong relations with your followers is the way forward if you want to boost your affiliate income in 2024 and beyond. If you apply these strategies with unwavering commitment, we're confident you'll not just see a hike in your income, but also a more meaningful engagement with your audience, and above all, a resounding success as an affiliate marketer. Embrace this evolving digital world with these proven strategies and become a leader in chasing your dreams. Here's wishing you the best of luck as you journey into the world of affiliate marketing, armed with your newfound knowledge. Remember, the successful implementation of these strategies is not an overnight affair. It demands dedication, meticulous planning, and regular monitoring. Nevertheless, the rewards you can reap are worth all the efforts. Good luck as you step into the world of affiliate marketing with a new perspective and a renewed energy. In the vibrant and competitive realm of affiliate marketing, rising above the crowd isn't easy.